Yeah. What's up guys, what's up? So, this one's gonna be a lot different from all the other vlogs that I've done earlier. The reason being is that we are trolling today in Fujeirah, and we'll be trolling and jigging. We'll start off with trolling and then move to jigging. So far we've been in the boat for about 2 hours now. We saw some activity around, unfortunately couldn't get it on the cam, but let's hope for a good footage. Yeah, I mean, of course, all the time it's not Sunday every day, so let's see what the sea has to offer today. And for now, this is the small room in the boat. Of course, you have other footage of the boat while we are trolling and the whole boat. It's a beautiful boat owned by one of Callum's close friends, and really I love it. I mean, we've got all the things in here. We've got a small kitchen, a sink, toilet, everything is space to sleep. We've got air condition. So yeah, let's hope for the best. All right.
Come on, try. Now it's in gear, just in gear.
Okay.
You have to keep it straight there.
All right.
Keep it straight and stop to bring everything else. Yeah, it's a very nice run. I saw it drop. You think, yeah, we do that. Turn it up, turn it up.
Callum just hooked on. Alright, I'm recording the fight as well.
Okay, do you know what to do, Callum? Yep. Pump and reel. Pump and reel. No. Slowly, gently. I think to the hook. No, you don't need to hook it. Hook. Okay. If you do that, you're going to pull the hook away. Okay. Just pump. Yeah. Pump and
Drop it. No worries, no worries.
mind the hook there.
Yeah, I'll just drop it in yours over here.
Okay.
I think I'll be able to come down as well, right?
Yeah. This side and come back.
Oh,
He is big.
yep. That's a good one. Hell yeah!
There you go.
I have it on my GoPro.
Huh?
I have it on my GoPro.
It's alright, I'm in the picture.
It's jammed. This rod's jammed. Okay, got it out.
Relax. There.
Alright.
Alright. Take that one. Are we still on?
I think I'll... Oh no, it's still on. Yeah. It's got into the line.
Nice. Just walk back now. Walk back.
Alright. Can I release the bait?
I tell him I want to put it inside. Okay.
Watch your feet, Cal. Alright. Look. Oh yeah, that's a pretty blue boy.
It's time to change green. It's time to go green. Yeah, go green. Okay, let's move back. You want to do it here? You want it?
giving it away to the guys.
Okay, I've already got one. Oh, there's another one here. The second one in the water. The one's swimming. Right there. See, if you had your line out now on your rod, cast. Sorry. That's all right.
No worries.
That's his wife.
That's okay. That's
No
fine.
worries, no worries, man.
Yeah.
Wife.
There's one in there. No, no.
No, that's fine. I fully understand that. It's a pair.
It's actually, yeah.
They always fit. They,
You see, that was the male.
yeah.
So
They
he
always
just...
come together.
It was a pair. And when you have,
Now this
Dorado,
is one.
Dorado.
Can we just go back up?
mate, double up.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let me get the hooks out of this guy.
Oh, it's still moving. Picture?
Of course, yeah.
I can go from here.
It's like 100 meters here.
Yeah, deep.
280 feet. Between here.
So this is about where the water
Yeah.
was.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
Yeah, I just realized this is the last point. No, this is one before last. Okay, keep it up here, Ali.
Yeah.
Keep it up here and wait for Callum to bring it, and then I'll do another trick. Do another trick
You're on?
closer.
Yeah.
How heavy is that one?
120.
120, yeah? But you don't, do you let it go to the bottom? It's gone under the boat now. We're going quite fast now. Sorry. What do you think? Is it worth it?
Huh?
Is it worth it?
The thing is, you don't even know what's down there. So I don't know if it's worth it or not. It's one of those things that if we could go deep down and see what was underneath us, we would know.
Second, Ali, I'm going to
me as well. Wow, there's more up front there as well. Oh wow. Wow, majestic creatures, man, majestic creatures. Wow. Under me as well. Wow, there's more up front there as well. Oh wow.
They would come and play in front of the sun.
Oh no no, do not purpose. No.
No, yeah, about three times that size.
Cast it over you instead of the side next year.
No, no, it's fine, I'm close. Keep passing, keep
No,
playing.
it's okay, I'm here, I'm here. Got it.
Alright.
That's all.
Need to go a little bit closer.
I think it's perfect. If you go too close, it's
Yeah.
makes them spook and straight
Yeah.
out. I can't bring it in anymore.
Hey!
What is that, guys? Oh, these are male. I thought it was a female.
There was, I think, there was 4, right?
Yeah.
Well, I think we got the